Truth is, most people won't make it. Not because they can't, but because they won't. They'll talk about dreams. They'll post about grind. They'll say, one day I'll do it. But deep down, they're waiting for something that will never come. The right time, the right feeling, the right moment. The truth is, there is no right time. You just do it or you don't. No one's coming to save you. No one's waking you up at 5 a.m. No one's forcing you to train, to study, to move. You want a better life? Then build it. You'll lose friends. You'll be misunderstood. People will call you crazy for choosing the hard way. But that's the price of becoming someone they can't replace. The truth is, greatness isn't pretty. It's lonely nights. It's doubts. It's failures stacked higher than your pride. Showing up when nobody believes you and still doing it anyway. Most people don't want that. They want comfort more than change. They want validation more than growth. They want to look successful, not become it. But the truth, the real truth, success doesn't care about your feelings. It only cares about what you do when it hurts. The ones who make it, they're not lucky. They're not special. They're just the ones who never stopped, no matter how broken they felt. So stop waiting for the world to understand you. Stop expecting applause. Stop lying to yourself. Because the truth is, no one's stopping you except you. Arise. For the few who still believe that the truth isn't meant to be comfortable, it's meant to wake you up.